She knows what she's doing, I believe, and she knows where the kids are. And
Lori Vallow Daybell's niece is calling her aunt a wonderful mom who wouldn't harm her kids, even as Lori sits in jail on felony charges of deserting them.
You know, when Tylee and JJ show up, I don't know if people would even believe it. They'd still, go on with their own, still a cult. It's still, they've done something bad, and a lot of people have already made up their minds. And
Melani Pawlowski and her new husband, Ian, sat down for an interview with EastIdahoNews.com's Nate Eaton about Melani's cousins Joshua JJ Vallow and Tylee Ryan, who have been missing for more than 7 months.
When's the last time you guys saw them?
so Ian's never met
Yeah, I've never met him.
Tylee. or
You've
JJ.
never seen them. Okay. What about you, Melanie?
So the last time I saw them was they were packing up their home in Chandler where Charles had been shot.
That's this house, where on July 11th, police responded to a 911 call from Lori's brother, Alex Cox, saying he had shot Lori's husband, Charles Vallow, in self-defense.
He came at me with the bat again after he'd already hit me in the head, so I shot him to stop him.
A month later, Lori packed up her kids and moved to Rexburg, Idaho, where the man who would become her 5th husband, Chad Daybell, lives. Chad's wife Tammy was found dead at home on October 19th, and her death is currently under investigation. Lori and Chad wed in Hawaii weeks later. Both are now under investigation by the Idaho Attorney General's office for conspiracy, attempted murder, and/or murder in Tammy's death. Both have denied all allegations of wrongdoing.
Are you guys innocent of any crimes? Have you committed any crimes?
Melanie packed up her own house in Arizona to move to Idaho, but she says she never saw JJ and Tylee there.
Lori is very independent. She's doing her own thing, and she was next door, but I spent most of my time with Alex. I did see some of their things, and she had a room set up perfectly for Tylee and JJ, and it didn't seem strange to me.
Police launched an investigation after they didn't find JJ or Tylee during a welfare check in November. JJ was last seen at his school in Rexburg on September 23rd. Tylee was last seen at Yellowstone National Park on September 8th with her brother, mother, and uncle Alex. Alex himself died on December 12th, and a medical examiner recently ruled it was of natural causes. But as the weeks continue to go by, Lori still refuses to tell authorities where the children are, even though she's been sitting in jail since February 20th.
Melanie, why can't you ask her where the kids are?
She's in jail and everything's been recorded, and I don't think if I asked her, she would tell me. I mean, she didn't tell me before, probably just to not involve me in whatever she's got going on. And I just trusted, she's got a plan.
That's the same answer Lori's mother, Janice Cox, and sister, Summer Shiflett, recently gave 48 hours.
She's in jail. She's not gonna, everything's recorded. She can't discuss anything about the case.
And I'm positive beyond any doubt that she hasn't harmed those kids.
Lori has denied all allegations of wrongdoing and has pleaded not guilty. She's due in court for a preliminary hearing in July.
I believe when all the speculation and rumor is over and we're looking at the real facts here, I believe, she has a story to tell.
Just what the story is remains to be seen. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Kaylin Ford.